Welcome to Luxury Pro Ratings. In this video, we're going to show you how to pull in your Google business reviews into the platform to publish to your profile. Let's get started. So we're in the dashboard. We're going to navigate to Google, and there's a few ways you can connect. You can either just search for your business here, find it, and connect it. That will give your Google Business Place ID and review link, or you can sign in to Google as well. You'll definitely want to make sure that you have a address claimed. If you're a local service business area, we can add that manually. You'll just want to send a support ticket to info@LuxuryProRatings.com. But if you have a location and everything, you should pull up in search, and then you should be able to connect that review site. In the dashboard, you can sync your Google reviews manually, or we'll update them once a week. So you'll see them pull through. They'll publish in your dashboard. You can use them for social media posts, along with they'll publish to your Luxury Pro Ratings profile, and that will help you be found in AI search and recommended by LLMs like Chachapiti. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@LuxuryProRatings.com, and thank you.